Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some practice questions for coding and decoding. So let us begin. Now before we start, there are four concepts that we should revise in order to be able to solve coding and decoding questions. The first concept is of forward ranks. What are forward ranks? Basically, numbers are assigned to each alphabet in increasing order. That means A is 1, B is 2, up till Z is 26. Correct? Then there is a concept of backward ranks. What do you mean by backward rank? That means similar concept, but now they are arranged in decreasing order. That means A is 26, B is 25, up till Z is 1. This is your concept of backward rank. So the sum of forward rank plus backward rank is always 27. Correct? You can check for A, 26 plus 1 is 27. For B, 2 plus 25 is 2 plus 25 is 27. For Z also you can see 26 plus 1 is 27. So the sum of forward rank plus backward rank is 27. Now there is a shortcut to remember forward ranks, which is AJORTY. Correct? This is your shortcut to remember forward ranks. E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20 and Y is 25. With the help of this shortcut also you can remember forward ranks. Then there is a concept of opposite letters. What do you mean by opposite letters? Basically, alphabets are arranged in a certain way that they form a pair. So, if I write them like this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And then again I start from N like this. So, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So if I arrange them like this, A is the opposite letter of Z, B is the opposite letter of Y, C and X are opposite letters, D and W are opposite letters, so on up till M and O are opposite letters. So this is the concept of opposite letters. And the fourth concept that we use is of looping. What do you mean by looping? Looping basically means that, for example, if we have alphabets written like this, if I have to go one position forward from A, I can simply go to B, correct? But what if I have to move one position backward from A? We do not have any alphabet before A, correct? A is the first alphabet. So we move back again from Z. That means after Z, if I have to move one position forward, since there is no letter after Z, I will start back again from A. Similarly, if I have to move two positions forward, I will get B. So basically, the alphabets are in a loop. They are in a loop. So this is the concept of looping. So based on all these concepts, we solve questions on coding and decoding. Okay. So let us look at this question. Question number 1. Question number 1 says, in a certain code language, early is written as ZNSCF. So this is the code for early. And gauge is written as FIVCH. So this is the code for gauge. We have to find the code for inbox. Okay. So let us check for early. For early, the code is written as ZNSCF. So E, I am using forward ranks. E's forward rank is 5. A's forward rank is 1. R's forward rank is 18. L forward rank is 12. And Y's forward rank is 25. Similarly, Z's forward rank is 26. For N, it is 14. For S, it is 19. For C, it is 3. And for F, it is 6. Now, I cannot see relationship between 5 and 26, 1 and 14, 18 and 19. But if I move in a different pattern, I can see a relationship. For example, if I move from Y to Z, I can see there is increment of 1. Correct? We are moving one position forward. We are moving one position forward. Similarly, from E to F, if I see, I can see we are moving one position forward. Correct? From L to N, we are moving two positions forward. Similarly, from A to C, we are moving two positions forward. And from R to S, we are again moving one position forward. So the positions that are we moving forward is increasing by 1 and 2. Correct? They're increasing by 1 and 2. So from 5 we went to 6. From 1 we went to 3, from R we went from 18 we went to 19, from 12 we went to 14, and from 25 we went to 26. So we are moving 1 or 2 positions forward. So we will, let us check the same thing for gauge also. Correct? Gauge is coded as FIVCH. So code for G is 7, for A it is 1, for U it is 21, for G it is 7, and for E it is 5. Code for F is 6, for I it is 9, for V it is 22, for C is 3, and for H it is 8. So again from G to H we moved 1 position forward. From E to F we move 1 position forward. From A to C we moved 2 position forward, and from G to I we moved 2 position forward, and in the middle we moved 1 position forward. So again the same pattern. So we will do the same pattern for inbox, correct? Inbox, what are the forward positions? I is 9, N is 14, B is 2, O is 15, and X is how much? Forward rank for X is 24. So now I will move 1 position forward from X. So I will get 25. Similarly from I also I will move 1 position forward. So I will get 10. At 10 we have J, and at 25 we have Y. Okay. Then from N also I'll move 2 positions forward now. So I'll get 16. Correct? And from O also I will move 2 positions forward now. So I will get 17. At 17th we have Q, and at 16th we have P. Correct? At 16th we have P. Now from B I'll move 1 position forward. So I'll get 3, which is C. So my code will be YQCPJ, which is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Moving on to question number 2. Question number 2, we have certain word cytoskeleton, which is coded like this, and malnutrition, which is coded like this. Now when I look at the words, I can see that they are the same alphabets, just rearranged differently. So maybe the concept of forward rank and backward rank is not involved, but the concept of rearrangement is involved. That means the alphabet are arranged in a certain pattern. So let us check for cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton. Okay, this is the spelling. It is coded as TYCKSOELENOT. Okay, it is coded like this. Correct? Now, if I look at these 3 words are over here. Similarly, these 3 words are over here. These 3 alphabets are over here, and these 3 alphabets are over here. But they have been reversed. So CYT is written as TYC. OSK is written as KSO. ELE reversed will be the same. TON is written as NOT. So they are reversed. So basically we have divided them in a group of 3 each, and we have reversed the order. So let us check if same thing applies for malnutrition as well. So this is your spelling, MALNUTRITION, and the code is LAMTUNTIRNOI. This is your code. So let us divide them into groups of 3. So MAL, NUT, RIT, and ION. So they should be in reverse order. So MAL will be changed into LAM. NUT will be changed into TUN. RIT will be changed into TIR. And ION will be changed into NOI. So basically 2 steps. First step, to divide them into groups of 3. Second step, to reverse the order. So we will do the same thing for alliteration. ALLITERATION. This is right. We will first divide them into group of 3. So ALL, ITE, RAT, and ION. Now we will reverse the order. So it will be LLA, ETI, TAR, and NOI. Correct? This will be the order. This will be the order. LLA, ETI, then TAR, NOI. This is given in option number 1. LLA, ETI, TAR, NOI. This is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Moving on to question number 3. Question number 3, certain code language, ghost is written like this, abide is written like this. We have to find the code for rules. Okay, so now if I see ghost, G-H-O-S-T is written as O-N-G-C-B. So for G, the code is how much? Forward ranks, okay? Forward ranks for G is 7, H is 8. O is 15, S is 19, and for T it is 20. B, it is 2, this is 3, this is 7, this is 14, and this is 15. But now I cannot see a order. Okay, I cannot see a order because this is plus 8. Correct? This is how much? This is plus 6. This is minus 8. Correct? And this is minus 16. So I cannot see a pattern. But I can see a different sort of pattern. If I sum the forward ranks. Okay, I am summing the forward ranks. 7 plus 15 will give me 22. Correct? 8 plus 14 will give me 22. 15 plus 7 again will give me 22. 19 plus 3 will give me 22. And 20 plus 2 will give me 22. So the sum is 22. In each case, the sum of forward ranks of the uncoded word and the coded word. So let us check if it is true for abide as well. Correct? For abide, if I write the forward ranks, it will be 1, 2, 9, 4, 5. U is how much? U is 21. T is 20. M is 13. R is 18. And Q is 17. So if I add the forward ranks, 1 plus 21 is 22. 20 plus 2 is 22. 13 plus 9 is 22. 18 plus 4 is again 22 and 17 plus 5 is 22. So the same logic is there for abide as well. So we will do the same logic for rules. R-U-L-E-S. What is the forward ranks? R is 18, 21, L is 12, E is 5 and S is 19. So now I have to make it 22 in each case, right? I have to make it 22. So for 19 to make it 22, I have to add 3. For 5 to make 22, I have to add 17. For 12 to make 22, I have to add 10. Here I have to add 1 and here I have to add 4. So 4 we have D, then we have A, 10 we have J, 17 we have Q and at 3 we have C. So the code will be D-A-J-Q-C. This is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Moving forward to question number 4. Question number 4, certain code language by is coded as 245, Ola is coded as this. We have to find the code for car. Now I've told you whenever you see a number, okay, whenever you see a number, we have to assume that it could be in relation to the sum of forward ranks, or it could be in relation to the sum of backward ranks, or it could also be a combination of both. Okay, it could be a combination of both. So let us check with forward ranks first. With forward ranks, by 2, Y is 25 and E is 5. So this will be 30 plus 2, that is 32. Can I see a relationship between 32 and 245? This is even, this is odd. So no. So let us check with backward ranks. So I am writing the backward ranks now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Let us write the backward rank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. These are your backward ranks. So find the sum of backward ranks. B is 25. Y is how much? 2 and E is how much? 22. So now if I find the sum, this is 25 and this is 2. 27 plus 22. Okay, this will be 9, this will be 49. So how is 49 related to 245? Do we see a relation? Yes. Basically, if I multiply 49 by 5, this will be 45, 4 will be carried, 5 into 4 will be 20 plus 4, 24. So this is basically multiplication by 5. So sum of backward ranks into 5. So let us check the same thing for Ola. What is the sum of the backward ranks? O is 12. L is how much? L is over here, which is 15. A is 26. So to find the sum, this will be 27 plus 26, correct? So this will be 53. If I multiply 53 into 5, this will be 15. This will be 25 plus 1, 26. So this is basically 53 into 5. So sum of backward ranks into 5. Sum of backward ranks into 5. So now I will find the sum of backward ranks for car as well. For car it will be 24 plus 26 plus for R it is 9. Correct? 20 plus 20, 40 plus 1, 50, 50 plus 9. This will be 59. And if I multiply it by 5, this will be 45, 4 will be over here. 25, 5 is 25 plus 4, 29. So this will be 295, which is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Moving on to question number 5. Question number 5, in a certain code language, dentist is written as like this, tooth is written as like this. We have to find the code for healing. Okay, we have to find the code for healing. So let us do for dentist first. DENTIST. Below this, I will write the code. Correct? If I write the forward ranks, 4, 5, 14, 20. I is 9, 19, 20. And for the second one, C is how much? C is 3, 4, 13, 19, H is 8, R is 18 and S is again 19. So clearly I can see we move one position back. Correct? One position back in each case. From N to M, from T to S, from I to H, we are moving one position back. Let us check if it is true for tooth as well. So tooth is coded as SNNSG. So this is 20, this is 15, 15, 20, H is 8, this is 7, 19, 14, 14 and 19. So here also we are moving one position back in each case, right? We are moving one position back. So we will do the same thing for healing. We will do the same thing for healing. So healing will be, the codes are 8, 5, A is 1, 12, 9, 14 and 7. So if I do minus 1, I'll get 7, which is G. If I do minus 1, I'll get 4, which is D. If I do minus 1, I will get 26 because there is no code for 0. If I do minus 1, going back to loop, I will get Z. Correct? If I do minus 1, I will go back to 11, which is K. If I do minus 1, I'll go back to 8, which is H. Correct? If I do minus 1, I'll go back to 13, which is M. And over here, if I do minus 1, I'll go back to 6, which is F. So my code will be G, D, Z, K, H, M, F. This is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, question number 6. Question number 6, bell is coded like this. Here is coded like this. We have to find how milk will be coded in that language. Now, if you look over here, basically these are your ranks. We have a number, so forward ranks or backward ranks. Correct? So, if I write the forward ranks, this is a huge number. Correct? This is a huge number. So, this is not a sum. This is arrangement. So, this will be 2. This will be 5. And this will be 12 and 12. But now the numbers I can see are 11 and 4 and 1. So basically minus 1 in each case. If I do minus 1 in each case, I will get how much? 1, 4, 11, 11. But this number is in reverse order. So it is written 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 and 1. So basically reverse order. Correct? Let us check for here as well. For here, if I write the forward ranks, it will be 8, 5, 1 and 18. But we have to go one position back. Correct? One position back. So one position back will give me how much? This will be 7. This will be 4. This will not be 0. Looping concept. This will be 26 and this will be 17. Correct? This will be 17. But now if I have to write them in reverse order, I will write it 1, 7, 2, 6, 4 and 7. Correct? 1, 7, 2, 6, 4 and 7. This is the code. So let us do the same thing for milk. For milk, the forward ranks are 13, 9, 12 and 11. If I go one position backwards, I'll get 12, 8, 11, 10. And if I write them in reverse, I'll get 10, 11, 8 and 12. Correct? I will get 10, 11, 8 and 12. So answer will be option number 3, 12, 10, 11, 8 and 12. Okay, this will be your answer. Moving on to question number 7. Question number 7, in a certain code language, numerical is written as like this, scattered is written like this, and we have to find how explosion will be written in that language. Okay. So, numerical, I can see that same letters are there. That means we have to assume that we are rearranging. We are not using the concept of forward rank or backward rank. We are rearranging. So if I am rearranging NUMERICAL and this is ICALRNUME. So very simply I can see that R has not changed position. Correct? The middle term has not changed position. The first 4 letters which are NUME are written in the last, and these 4 letters which are ICAL, this is written in the last. Correct? So basically the last 4 letters are written first and the first 4 letters are written last, and the position of the middle letter does not change. So we will do the same thing, check the same thing for scattered. Correct? For scattered, the code is EREDTSCAT. So these are the first 4 letters which are written in the last. These are the last 4 letters which are written first, and the position of T does not change. So we will use the same concept for explosion as well. Correct? For explosion, the code will be, the middle letter is O, so it will not change position. The last 4 letters which are SION will be written here, and the first 4 letters which are EXPL will be written over here. So this will be a code which is SIONOEXPL, which is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the answer to this question. Clear? Now, moving on to question number 8. Question number 8, certain code language, dove is written like this, crow is written like this. So concept of forward ranks and backward ranks. So dove, if I look at the forward ranks are 4, 15. For V, the forward rank is 22 and 5. Correct? Now, if I look over here, the code is 11, 22, 21 and 4. It is written like this, 11, 22, 21 and 4. If I look over here, if I see these two and these two, they basically form the sum of 26. Correct? They basically form the sum of 26. So basically I have reduced 26 to get this. Correct? So for crow also let us check. Crow is coded as 8, 23, 31 and 1. Correct? 8, 23, 31 and 1. So for crow, if I see, this is C, the code is 3. For R, the code is 18. For O, the code is 15. And for W, the code is how much? For W, the code is 23. Correct? So if I look over here, 18 plus 8 will give me 26. This also will give me 26. 15 and 1 will give me 26. But 23 and 31, how did I get 31 over here? This is 3 and this is 11. So 15 plus 11 will give me 26 and 23 plus 3 will give me 26. So now also the sum is 26. Okay. So let us check for Myna. M-Y-N-A. The codes are 13. For Y it is 25. For N it is 14 and for 8 is 1. So now in a crisscross pattern, the sum should be 26. So for 25 to get 26, I will get 1. Here I will get 13. Correct? Here I will get 13. Here I will get 25. And here I will get 12. So now the code will be 1132512, and 1132512 is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Option number 2 will be your answer. Question number 9. Question number 9 says, certain code, crust is written like this, blame is written like this. We have to find the code for plastic. So crust, if I look at the forward ranks, this is 3, this is 18. For U it is 21, for S it is 19, and for T it is 20. If I write them in reverse order, 20, 19, 21, 18 and 3, I am getting the code, correct? This is the code. For blame also, let us check. For blame, the forward ranks are 2, 12, 1, 13, 5. And if I write them in reverse, it will be 5, 13, 1, 12 and 2, which is the code, correct? So for plastic, it would be the same thing. For plastic, if I write the forward ranks, for P it is 16, L is 12, A is 1, S is 19, T is 20, I is 9 and C is 3. If I write them in reverse, it will be 3, 9, 20, 19, 1, 12 and 16. This will be the reverse order. This is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, moving on to question number 10. Question number 10, star is coded like this. Star is coded like this. So if I look at the forward ranks, S forward rank is 19, 20, 1 and 18. But here the numbers are different. I can see 26. 26 is basically the backward rank of A. Correct? So now if I put backward rank, A's backward rank is 26. Let me write the backward ranks. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Backward ranks will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. These are your backward ranks. So for A it is 26. For R it is 9. For T it is 7. And for S it is 8. So now if I write them in backwards or in reverse order, it will be 9, 2, 6, 7 and 8. This is the code. So basically backward ranks and then reverse. For flag, let us check. Backward ranks for flag will be, for F it is 21. For L it is 15. For A it is 26 and for G it is 20. So now if I write them in reverse, it will be 20, 26, 15 and 21. Correct? So this is the code. So we'll do the same thing for logo. For logo, the backward ranks will be L is 15, O is how much? 12, G is 20 and O is again 12. So if I write them in reverse order, it will be 12, 20, 12 and 15. So this code is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.